We're diving into a tiny engineering issue that can have massive, seven-figure consequences for your business. And look, this is way more than a technical glitch. For a lot of companies, it's about survival.
I mean, this is the difference between having a product to sell or processing a million-unit recall.
This issue, called warpage, creates two business-killing failures, one on the line and one out in the market.
It all comes from a process called heterogeneous integration. Just picture a really complex, multi-layered sandwich. So how does this sandwich get made? Well, funny enough, the process itself is what creates the problem.
And the end result looks, well, less like a sandwich and a whole lot more like a Pringles potato chip.
So how do you stop this? You don't need to be an engineer. You just need to ask the right questions. Okay, so your team has a process to predict this stuff. Let's see where your questions fit right in.
First, ask about the setup. See, materials act differently hot versus cold. Bad inputs mean bad answers. Next up is the most critical question of all. What's the stress-free temperature, or T0?
Get this wrong, and the simulation is garbage. If your team can't defend their number, that's a huge red flag. And finally, don't ask about total warpage. Ask for the coplanarity. That's what actually matters for soldering.
Look, this isn't about making you an expert. It's about giving you a solid BS detector.
So what's the takeaway? This is a business risk, and asking these questions is how you manage it.
The answer to that tells you everything you need to know about your real risk out there in the market.